Well, thank you, Dom. Yeah, if Lily is in charge, I feel like we're in good hands for years to come. Switching gears here now to the weather. I know that it's now December. We were all thinking festive flakes, but it's been warmer and just kind of misty and wet.
Meteorological winter officially began December 1st on a very wet note, and the wet note just continues for now. There will be some flakiness to talk about here by probably the middle of this upcoming week, but we're not talking about any big winter storms. We're not talking about any major cold air outbreaks. But again, the story much wetter than it is wintry. 43 was our top temp today after a low of 39. Not a huge spread there between the high and the low because of the mist and the fog and the light rain, but certainly closer to what you would expect for this time of year in Buffalo in terms of temperature. Far cry from the day before. We had 0.13 of an inch of rain. It measured officially in Buffalo, brings our monthly tally to just shy of a half an inch. Again, all of that coming in the form of liquid versus the frozen. As we head through the overnight, some spotty showers. Fog is an issue as well, especially down to the western and central southern tier. Genesee and Orleans County too. So remember, low beams on the headlights when you're dealing with fog. As we head through Sunday, umbrellas are a must. All the rain gear is a must as we deal with areas of rain, especially into the afternoon. Wouldn't be shocked to get in on some thundery downpours as well. This is a moisture-packed system. And then as we head into early next week, it'll be a little bit more seasonable, turning colder, and some flakes will start to mix in. Hour by hour, we go here for your Sunday. Again, dealing with areas of rain in the morning, maybe more of a scattered shower situation midday, early afternoon, and then another solid soaking comes our way with easterly breezes. And that's why we brought out Puddle Ducky, because it is going to be a super soaker around 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So Puddle Ducky will be happy. The water table will be happy. Winds will start to freshen as we head into Sunday night and early Monday morning. We could see gusts on Lake Erie close to 40 miles per hour. And there is that solid soaking that I mentioned. Going into Monday, there will be some spots that pick up more than an inch of precipitation. And the Climate Prediction Center really doesn't have us dealing with big cold air anytime soon. Likely above average temperatures right through at least the middle of December. Right now, looks like somebody draped a sheet over Skywatch 7. 39 degrees. We're at 36 in Toronto. There is cold air lurking back to the north and west, but again, it's going to make just a slight pass at us early next week. There goes some of the light rain and drizzle off to our north. Rain is bearing down in Chicago here, and that should be here, as our futurecast will show, going into your Sunday. In fact, by the time we get to about 8 o'clock in the morning, it's definitely raining from Buffalo east and south. A little bit of a break, and then temperatures on southeasterly breezes will climb close to 50. And then we deal with scattered showers Sunday night. Westerly winds will whistle over Lake Erie Sunday night, Monday morning, and that will cause a brief lake response with a few flakes flying, but nothing special here. Minor accumulations at best as it turns seasonably chilly. So for tonight, spotty showers, patchy fog, again locally dense, the low at 41. Tomorrow we're looking at a top temp of 50 with those areas of rain, and there is that super 7-day forecast back into the low 40s Monday, trending downward a little bit more Tuesday. Maybe some minor lake effect midweek in terms of accumulation. Like I said, nothing special. And you're watching 7 News at 11. Stay with us.